Video. Give a shout out to the Eiger Advocate. He's got a mint wheeler. And also I'd like to give another shout out to Scald Monty 84. Give me some ideas, and so does the Eiger Advocate. And I've given Eiger Advocate the oil cooler idea. Thought I'd do a little video. It's my 03 Suzuki Eiger 4x4. Snorkeled. Oil cooler relocate. Last time I called it a rad relocate, people got all snotty. Anyways, fuck them. Anyways, that's the Suzuki. That's my stepdad's Artic. I believe it's a 2010 Artic Cat. 450. Mine's a 400, sorry for to tell you. Not a bad bike. Only problem he's had is he's got water in the belt. Had to tow her home, but shit happens, right? Anyways. Yeah. Hey, Nugget. That's my mom's dog. He's retarded. Hey, Nugget. Retarded? There you are. Alright, have another fire tonight. Yeah, so I thought I'd do another shout out video. Once again, thanks for the idea, Eiger Advocate and Scald Monty 84. Bratman out.